So the problem with programs, when people are looking for specific programs to help suit their needs, it's on both sides. So on the business side, you hear, like when I started, my tagline was for all your health and fitness needs. Worst tagline ever. Your tagline needs to be very specific to the audience that you serve. And when you're starting out, you don't really serve an audience because you don't know who that is or who you're trying to help. Now we understand specifically who our audience is, but that took years to figure out. However, as the customer, when you're looking for a program, your program, the people that are serving you need to be very specific about what they're doing. If they're serving everyone, then they're serving no one, and that means you're probably not going to be happy with their service. So when you're looking for a specific program or people to work with, be very clear of the type of people you're working with, and if they take everyone and anyone, it's probably not the best fit for you.